Paid members on Mighty start with core community features like an activity feed or chat, then use polls, questions, events, small groups, and live streaming to essentially run themselves. So if you're ready to launch a paid membership on Mighty Networks, here's how. First, let's create a new space. I want this membership centered around a feed, where members can add posts and have discussions, so I'll select the feed template. Then I'll add a name for the space here. For privacy, let's leave this secret for now while we're still setting it up, and then we'll hit Create Space. And our new space has been created. The next step is to set up a plan so we can charge for access. First, we'll create an internal plan, which means that this plan will be available inside your Mighty Network for your existing members to purchase. Let's add a plan name. Next, you can add an image or video, a tagline, a list of benefits, as well as a description. When you're finished, click on Next to set up your gates. For gates, we'll want to leave payments selected since we want to collect payments for this membership, but you also have the option to do Web3 token gating. Then hit Next. Here, you can select the payment type to be a subscription with monthly or annual options, or a one-time fee. Next, you can select the platform where this plan is available for purchase, either on web, Android, or iOS. If you want, you can set up a free trial so that members can try out your membership without being charged. And lastly, you can set this plan's price. Then click Finish. Here you can preview your new plan, and when you're ready, click Create Plan. And now your membership is available for your existing members to purchase. So here's what the internal landing page of this membership looks like. This is what your existing members will see inside your Mighty Network. But we're not done yet. If you also want to sell this plan to people who are not yet part of your Mighty Network, you'll need to create an external plan, which will include access to your Mighty Network. So let's set that up by going back to our feed and then clicking on our space settings. Then we'll click on Payments and Charge for Access. Now, in addition to access to this space, we can flip this switch to include access to our Mighty Network. This will make the membership available on our network's landing page. Next, we can fill in the plan details as we did before. When we're finished, click Next. For gates, you can select between payments and Web3, but since this is an external plan, you can also choose to add screening questions and approvals. Turning on screening questions will require prospective members to answer questions before accessing this plan. Turning on approvals will require you as a host to approve prospective members before they can access this plan. I'll turn on both and hit Next. The first gate to configure are the screening questions. You can add your questions here and choose whether they are required or optional. You'll also be able to edit these screening questions later. Next, the approvals gate will already be set up. So as you receive requests to join this membership, you can choose whether to approve new members or not. Then we'll go through the same steps to set up the payments gate, including the pricing type, platforms, and the price. We've seen hosts successfully charge $48 a month for their Mighty Networks, even if they're just starting out. Then click Finish. Again, you can preview your plan, and then click Create Plan. Now your external plan for this membership is finished. And here's what the external landing page will look like to non-members. But what if you wanted to move a member from this plan to another plan? Let me show you how. From the plan screen, I'll select the plan that I want to move a member from. This will display a list of the members of this plan. Find the member you would like to move, and then click on the three-dot menu. Then click on Move to Plan. Here, you can select which plan to move this member to, and then click Submit. You'll have the option to send this member a message, and then the move will be complete. And now your paid membership is ready to launch. All you have to do is invite members and watch it grow. If you want to learn more about building on Mighty, check out this video next.